What's up, guys? This video, it's a funny video. It's a day that we spent at my buddy's farm. He's a dairy farmer. He took over his grandfather's farm when he was young, like pretty much right out of high school. And it's a great video. It's funny. It's just kind of, we're hanging out there all day. Garrett LaPearl and I shot some bow. We ended up doing a podcast. We had like a little cookout on the grill. And then we went spotlighting. So it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a farm day. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We got a lot to come here on the channel. Hit the subscribe button, follow along. I got a lot of guys filming this year for the channel that are just absolute killers. Follow along. Fall is approaching very, very quickly. So let's get into the video. So we're here at the farm. Tony said he was going to be waiting for us. How are you doing?
What's going on?
What are you doing?
Well,
Buddy!
we got a little problem. Come on.
Right in the
Just fucking rain guy.
Yeah.
I'm Garrett.
Tony,
Nice to meet
what's
you.
going on?
I'm not Joe.
I'm Josh.
Josh? Cameraman Josh.
Hey, nice to meet you, buddy.
Yeah, we had a little problem this morning. Fucking broke on me.
You know, he's like a legit welder.
I bet it. You like them right there? What do you get back?
Yeah, looks good.
I just like how you're standing in the puddle
Dude,
welding.
that was the favorite. That was like inch and a
What's
half
that,
of
what,
water.
40 bucks an hour?
Oh, probably more than that.
I figured as much. Oh, she'll hold. That's all I'm worried about.
Just don't do that.
Yeah. She's old.
I don't know, maybe Garrett can actually help you out.
Well, the problem is,
That old.
she ain't gonna bend none.
No.
But got a lot to fill. So
What do you think, Garrett?
Yeah, we need a welder's perspective. What do you think about that bolt?
I like it. Bend her
So-
down, fill her in.
That's what I'm thinking.
I don't know, dude. I don't know. I think probably with you.
I mean, she'll hold right now. Okay, she was just holding on by this morning.
What are you trying to save?
Uh,
Because I guess I don't know what.
if this comes off, the auger ain't got no bearing right here to.
Got. Oh, I see it now. It's almost like you should do two pieces of.
Well, I thought about just cutting, then cutting this off and redoing it. But I don't have that much ambition.
Oh boy.
I think she'll hold for now.
Yeah.
Do a couple more beads.
Yep. All right. Do it. Do it.
You know what they say about how to become a millionaire fireman? Start out as a billionaire. You'll get there.
Be like a button in a fur coat.
Oh, he's filming.
Yeah. I got that one.
Yeah. And then I shot that 6-pointer, 9-6-pointer, but ball, and then after that, I didn't see a buck, but I wanted to shoot.
Yeah.
It's all out of odds, you know. Yeah. But last year, it fucking sucked. Really. You saw that. You missed that good one with New Hampshire as well. What else did you see in New Hampshire?
It was missed like a 120 to 130 on the first weekend, and
You
then
never saw anything else?
no, but I only hunted first weekend, second weekend. I didn't rifle hunt New Hampshire at all.
it worked out. I ended up getting a good one in the lawn. So I step over a fucking tree, boom! I shoot. He kicks right up, jumps, and keeps running after me. Fucking boom! Shoot him again. He dies right there. I'm like, oh! I'm like, holy shit! What happened?
Supposedly Trump just got shot.
What the hell?
I don't know, he's bleeding. Still alive, I guess.
You heard it here first, folks.
Yeah. Right here.
But he's still going.
Dude, in the fucking video, he got him up and he's going.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Trump 2024, let's go.
Dude.
Are you serious?
Yeah, blood gushing. Fucking, I don't know.
Are you serious?
Swear to God. Everyone had him like fucking bummed up when he was walking out.
So who's the guy? Where's the guy
I
that...
don't know, they said shoot her down.
That's freaking wild.
Oh my God.
Forgot. Well, we'll see if they'll come in tonight with everybody here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right.
Cows?
Huh?
They'll come. They'll come.
Don't fear bugs. What now?
Like what?
Quit. Never heard of her.
Don't dare see.
Isn't that crazy? Come here.
What?
Did you know that every cow, so you know every star in the sky is different? Every cow has this different star on their head. You realize that? Look.
Don't
Yeah,
fog
yeah.
up their glasses.
Yeah,
Those are good. Those are just like Windex, right?
Yeah. What's on your beer?
The rock didn't bleed at all. I don't want to get out of it.
He's messing with you, alright.
No. That's alright. I'm a young one here.
That one?
Alright, you're gonna start milking cows for me while I go to your house.
Runs in my blood, you know.
The legs.
Yeah, grows good hair. Want to feed it?
Sure.
Oh, ready? Put a finger in his mouth. Hey,
And then you just switch out your finger for the tip
here,
of the bottle.
right here. Hey,
You're used to Tony feeding them.
right here.
I suck at it. No, I want to do it.
All right. We'll get that thing in there.
There it is.
Go ahead.
Get your finger in there, like.
Sick bastard.
I can't do it.
Oh, you got it.
I'll get it started.
You got it.
Just stick your fingers in
Dude,
there.
I tried. Look at.
I'll get it started.
He doesn't like me. No, he doesn't like me. There it is. Fireman. Hard work. Somebody's got to do it.
Somebody's got it.
Not me.
Oh, are they twins too?
The hungry old guy.
Yeah, it's just, they're just gonna be like, there's gotta be music in the background the entire time. Cotton Eye Joe.
Yeah.
It's weird. Weird, Tony. I better not see you report a doe this year. Yeah, I bet she does. She's gonna taste some Matthews probably. September 15th.
Line was so stupid.
That's the only way you can
You're so stupid.
He's happy. Hi.
Tony, this is why he killed you.
Who gives a shit?
I've never seen it this way. No, I know.
I mean, you're in motion. Too nice.
Want some milk, Mama?
She's young.
You come right over and
Yeah, show her the bottle. No.
Tony, you gotta start with your fingers and then switch over to the bottle.
Show her the bottle. Dude, she's gonna feed out of that bottle. Let me get the steaks going.
Let me get the steaks going instead of throwing.
Come on, be funny. Dance, monkey, dance.
Jump
Be
up
funny.
Don't jump up on the board.
You were funny before it was on.
See, that's the problem.
I know.
Okay, how you like your steak cooked?
Medium rare.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Are you gonna do the sake?
Same.
No sake.
Same.
Same. Medium well.
Oh, no.
You.
Okay,
Medium rare.
you guys are very bland. Bring right up.
Oh, that's funny.
Wow.
What do you think?
Pretty nice.
Hungry.
What are we gonna do after this, Tony?
Go to bed.
No. What are we actually gonna do?
Oh, I guess we'll go check out some new spots.
We're not gonna do a pod?
Oh, we'll do a pod, I
Oh, we
guess.
can do a pod.
Sure.
Sure. Do a podcast. Sure. There you go. You go spotlighting if you want. Do a pod another time if you don't think we have time.
Well, it's kind of hard to spotlight in the daylight.
So we can
What do you think?
do whatever you want.
Whatever I want.
It's your world. We're, you know.
Well, I don't care.
Got the ranch. Oh. What do you boys think?
Overcooked, bud.
There, bleep, bleep.
Oh, sorry.
Bleep, bleep, Tony.
Sorry. You know, but
Tony,
I mean, I
Tony
do,
don't care.
but I mean,
Why do you not care? What's the reason?
because it's sketch. I like him. He's cool. But if some other,
Tuesday.
what's up, brother?
What's up, brother? I'm gonna be like right here, so you guys can sit like kind of here-ish. This is gonna be home base. We'll just probably rotate you guys in. Probably start it with. You gotta start with 4.
Start with 4.
Yeah, I got 4 headsets.
1, 2, 3, 4. He doesn't want to be on it.
You don't want to be on it? I don't care. Are you scared? Are you scared? No, if you're scared, you can tell me.
No,
Because
not
if,
scared.
If you're not scared, you can hop on. But if you're
You
scared,
big dog,
it's
it's your
fine.
podcast.
Oh yeah, you can come on. If you want to be on.
Shoot
the podcast.
those.
What do we do with
That's
this?
fine.
What do we do with this? Just put them on?
Tony's never.
Yes, it's not confusing. There, that's me. Can everybody hear me?
No.
No.
We're not huffed in, bud.
That's true.
Alright, that's you too many. Fuck him in.
He was testing you, Tony.
How about now?
I can hear you.
How about I can hear you too? Pulling at Tony's farm
In New York.
in New York. Here we are doing the old podcast. I got Garrett LaPearl, Johnny Hood on the podcast right now. We got a couple other guys that are gonna.
Screw that Tony kid. He's not here.
We got some other people that are gonna mix in here soon. But yeah, what are you guys? What are you up to?
Well, I feel like a pilot right now wearing this thing.
Do you feel like a pilot?
Yeah, I feel like I'm flying or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, right in the earlobe.
What the?
Supposedly, allegedly.
Allegedly, we don't know yet. I've been at Tony's farm all afternoon. I have had
No service.
no service.
No service out here in the Adirondack.
So the thing is here that's getting me is like the one afternoon I don't have any service. The friggin' Trump gets shot.
Right, I mean, and he took it like a champ.
The one that you said he was like fist bumping after.
Oh yeah, I was feeding the cows. Yeah.
I came inside, get a drink of water, and I look on the TV and Trump's on the ground, blood coming out of his ear. I'm like, what the hell? And then he stands up, starts bumping his fist. Fight! Or something, you know.
Yeah.
I thought that was pretty wild. Good man.
Me and Alex pulling. We go looking for everybody. Can't find anyone. Walk in the house. Tony comes running out of his house. Trump just got shot, and my grandmother's really upset.
She loves that guy.
Yeah. That is wild, though.